Hey, good morning, guys. So we have some news today. It's Friday, 10th of October 2025. We have some news on CAD and USD during NY session. And we're going to skim through the pairs starting from Dixie and see what is going on and if there is a tradable opportunity or not. Perfect. So Dixie monthly time frame, we are heading towards this high after clearing this low. The current monthly candle, we have 21 days left for this to close, and it seems like pretty strong. The weekly candle is very, very bullish, and we are already above this high that we was targeting last day. And right now, we are in the last day of the week, so it's possible to see a correction. Another thing to notice is that we are currently sitting at this 78.6, so a flip setup may occur like this, where we can target towards upside. But at the same time, we can also see a deeper correction. Okay, so we are open to both possibilities today. So yeah, let's see what's going on in EU. EU already trading below the previous monthly low. Yeah, previous monthly low, and we are heading towards this low. So this low is still here, not cleared yet, and this it seems like we are just closing the Asian range, and I can't see a clear structure here, but if we drop our Fibonacci on this last impulsive move, this is 38.2, and the actual structure which is lining up is with this area of 61.8. So it's possible that it's not gonna drop below this low for this week, and we are gonna keep correcting higher, and maybe on the next Monday or Tuesday we're gonna get a short setup from this kind of areas. Okay. It's Friday, so I'm just slowing down the process. I don't have any setup in EU phone now. I'm just gonna wait on this. Um, GBPUSD. GBPUSD seems like monthly time frame already trading below the previous monthly low. Weekly chart is trying to go towards this low. So this is gonna be my HPL. This area is also lining up at the EMA 100. Is it 100? Let me check. Okay, it's 50. EMA 50. And the daily bias is bearish. Like the previous daily candle was strongly bearish. We're closing below this low. But at the same time, we're clearing some significant swing lows. Sell side liquidity, external range, sell side liquidities. So let's see, it's possible for like price to go and drop below the previous daily low, um which is a contradiction with our EU bias. And if we drop off Fibonacci on this impulsive move, then this area is something lining up with 61.8, so almost same views as EU. I'm gonna wait for a deeper correction in this one before we find a short setup. Gold is something interesting. Let's clear everything. The last daily candle was pretty bearish, and we can see FBG here. Like this is the internal range sell side liquidity that we can target. The daily bias is bearish, and we're gonna drop below possibly the previous daily low and as well as this low. So I will be waiting for a good setup to short it today. Like maybe I'm gonna look for shorts from this kind of areas. Yeah, I'm gonna look for shorts above 50 to 78.6, and if I find any strong rejection from this area, I'm gonna definitely look for shorts. Another possible scenario is this one, like price trading above this and giving us a short setup from this. But in that case, this daily candle will turn bullish. We already created the week for the daily candle. I don't think this move is necessary. So I'm gonna mainly focus on this setup. If I find any strong rejection from this area, I'm gonna look for shorts and target towards this low. Let's see what's going on in UJ. UJ is correcting downside. I am not interested in this one for now. It's already so much extended. AUD is another interesting pair. It is very beautifully supporting from the 50 EMA in daily chart. We are supporting this from a multiple times. We are bouncing back from this level, and it's possible that we will keep continue going higher from this kind of areas. But let's see what's going on in weekly chart. Yeah, weekly seems bullish too, but we already cleared this high. Let's drop a Fibonacci on this impulsive move towards downside. We are rejecting from above 61.8. We are rejecting. Okay, it seems like the environment is pretty bearish and a reversal is possible, so I'm not gonna look for new longs. I'm gonna skip this. NZD USD, nothing clear. USD CHF, we already cleared this highs, and it's possible for price to go above all these highs too. But for now, after this kind of impulsive move, we want to see a correction and correction towards maybe this kind of areas. So let's wait for it. Okay. USD CAD, nothing clear. We are already clearing this high as expected. I was waiting for a little more downside move before we long it, but failed to capitalize on this one. But there was a clean setup, maybe. Yeah, the clean OT setup in 15 minutes. Like, let's create a break of structure, corrected back lower towards optimal trade entry. A beautiful setup. Another beautiful setup formed during the London session. Yeah, let's see. We don't have anything here. GBP, JPY. I'm skipping this pair from last 3 days. I'm just not interested in JPYs right now. It's too much extended. Okay. Okay, guys, that's it. That's it from my side. And if you have your views, if you are doing your analysis, I will love to see your charts on the chat room. And see you soon after the session. Thank you.